SumoPaint is a free online Flash-based image editor similar to Adobe Photoshop. Be sure that you have Flash Player version 10 to use SumoPaint. Import an image like you do in Photoshop. Explore the tools. Use the selection tool, Magic Wand, to select parts of your image that you want to make changes to. If you want to select more than one non-contiguous piece, then click on the plus tool while the wand is selected. I am not doing it precisely, I just want to show you how it works. Now right-click and select Clear Selection. Now the background is transparent, you can do whatever you want to do with it. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.